Hello, I am Dr. Deepak Gautam, consultant joint replacement at Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai with over 15 years of experience in orthopedics. I earned my master's in orthopedic surgery from the esteemed and premier institute of the country, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi. I have enhanced my clinical expertise through prestigious fellowships across United States of America, Germany, and South Korea. I specialize in knee and hip surgeries, including robotic knee and hip replacement, partial knee replacement, revision knee and hip replacement, and specialized technique for hip replacement, popularly known as direct anterior approach for total hip replacement. Currently, there are very few centers in India performing total hip replacement by direct anterior approach. We at Apollo Hospitals take the pride of performing total hip replacement by direct anterior approach by an excellent team of doctors, all trained at the premier institute of the country. Further, we have a state-of-art orthopedic operation theatre equipped with robotics to brush up the accuracy and safety of the patients undergoing knee and hip replacement surgeries. To add, with more than a decade of clinical and academic experience at AIIMS, we continue to advance orthopedic care with commitment through a strong, integrated, and closely collaborating orthopedic specialists, including spine, sports injury, trauma, and reconstructive surgeries.